On single-phase standard type compressors, we have used hard start kits for years to aid in starting these compressors. It is not possible to wire a hard start kit into a new inverter-driven compressor. So if you have an inverter-driven compressor that will not start, how do you get it started? In our training classes on inverter-driven product, we go over how the inverter control delivers power to the compressor. The inverter control supplies power to the compressor like a three-phase power supply. The windings of the compressor are like a three-phase motor. There is no common start or run. In the service manual for an inverter-driven compressor, you are given a chart for the resistance of the windings, and you are told that this compressor operates with a three-phase variable frequency, variable voltage applied to three fusite terminals. If the compressor motor failure is suspected, you should check the resistance between the windings, and you'll see by the chart that the resistance of all three windings will be basically the same, just like a three-phase motor. So coming off of the inverter control, you will normally have a U, V, and W that supplies voltage from the inverter control directly to the compressor. Like any three-phase compressor, switching any two leads will reverse the rotation of the compressor. So far, the failure rates of inverter-driven compressors is very low. In case you have an inverter compressor that will not start, first make sure you have the correct voltage going to the compressor from the inverter. Then switch any two leads of the leads that go from the inverter control to the compressor. If this procedure breaks the compressor free, then put the leads back where they belong, and hopefully the compressor will start and will run for the normal life of the unit.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.